Hi friends, this video shows how to restart your Android TV. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to device preferences. Under device preferences, select restart. Here we can see restart option. Select it. Then select restart again. So this way we can restart this TV. We can restart this TV using remote. So that is the advantage of this option. We have other options like we can unplug the power cable, then plug the cable back. That way also we can restart the TV, but that may damage the TV. We have other options like if your TV has power on and power off switch, we can use that option as well. Using power on and power off switch, we can restart the TV. I prefer this option because for this we just need to use remote. With the remote we can easily restart the TV. So these are the options to restart Android TV. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.